for football games, you typically don't have a fold-out chair. You have kind of a stadium cushion, and this is just a fold-out stadium cushion from the Port Authority brand, which is also a Sanmar-based product. And this is something where you can rotate the platen. You want to make sure that your designs fit within the constraints of your platen that you're printing. In this case, I'm going to bring it back to to the swing away mode. And so I can load a stationary platen, which is typically how I prefer to operate. See how it splits nicely onto the press. And you could complete your heat application now. Anytime you have a zipper on the platen, that's cause for concern. You want to raise your print area up above that zipper so you don't have the issue. And you probably learned by now that that can be completed with a heat printing pillow. Make sure it's larger than your design size. These heat printing pillows can be purchased in packs. So I just want to make sure that I'm getting pressure on all areas here. And I probably size this design down just a little bit, because if you look here, I'm a little bit concerned that this is going to fall off the edge of the pillow and not get the pressure. But in this case, since I'm not moving the item around, it's a little easier for me to manage that. And I'll just make sure that I increase my pressure accordingly to try to drive through that on that edge, since I'm already don't have time to cut another design here. So I'm operating on a nice medium to firm pressure up on a 5 here on the machine. Once again, thermofilm, because it's white on the darker colored polyester that could have a bleeding issue. So I'll release it nicely. Thermofilm kind of takes on the texture of the item we're pressing, which leaves a nice embedded look into the item. And like I said, with thermofilm, it's low bleed, so you don't have the risk for bleeding. So this is a perfect add-on sale, or perhaps something you could even go sell on site at a game. Heat printed with the player's name or with the team name, no problem.